In order to portray mental health in a positive way, it's best to express their interest or their interest in mental health.
Sasa
Poa sana.
habari zenu?
Tuko poa.
Jina ni Mbe.
Mimi naitwa Joyce Mugure.
Joyce Mugure.
Yes.
Kutoka?
Kutoka PDO Kenya, that is Psychiatric Disability Organization.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So naye dada
Mimi naitwa Martha Nyoro, pia natoka PDO.
video.
Yes.
Now, swali la kwanza, why this event kwanza?
First of all, it's because they are promoting mental health. We are so into mental health awareness. Would like people to understand mental health, what is all about mental health, what do people do, the services we also offer, and to also let people know that help is available in case they are in distress. Yeah.
Okay. So probably where are you found? Where are you located? What do you do actually?
First of all, let me say this is a new way of also talking about mental health, because most of the time we do it so formally, and this time we wanted to do it different through art. Yeah, something interesting, something that will also attract young people. And we are found at Kabachia near Jamhuri Primary, here in Nakuru. Yeah.
Uh, maybe I'll ask you this question. You said your name is
Martha.
Martha.
Yes.
Martha, how can I know that somebody is suffering from mental health?
Different from what people think. We majorly think that a person who is mentally sick is the unkempt person, the person who goes around picking things, who is ill-filled at the roads, talking to himself. But contrary to that, aside from that, anybody, you and me can be mentally ill. WHO says that 1 out of 4 people are mentally sick. So you wouldn't know who is until it's diagnosed. So things to look out for a person who is sick, who is suffering from mental health conditions. One of them is isolation, eating disorders, like a person doesn't eat or eats a lot, a person doesn't have sleep. It has a lot of symptoms associated to them. Yeah.
So probably if you can inform us, educate us a little bit. That those people probably they are suffering in silence, but they don't know themselves unless somebody watches them. What can you tell, or what can you advise somebody outside there who is going through ABCD, so that he or she can say maybe he or she is suffering from this?
Personally, I would advise them to seek help, to know that help is available if you seek for it, and to reach out to people who can help. Like, for instance, for an organization like PDO Kenya, we offer our services at a very low rate. Anyone can afford them. So help is available, and if you reach out, we will surely come and help you. Yeah.
Maybe from my two.
What are some of the things that PDO is doing to support artists, and maybe what other thing do you think artists wanafaa kufanya so that corporates such as PDO can partner with them?
So we provide services to everyone, and to artists, like a platform like this, we have partnered with them to support them. This is also part of helping them grow as artists, but also we are here to offer mental health services if they want, because we also know they are also going through tough times. Sometimes looking at the economy and how things are turning out, people can fall into very stressful situations, and that's where we come in to offer services to help them grow and manage their mental health as they continue doing their art. Yeah.
Also, to maybe add on that, I would love for the artists out there, in order to portray mental health in a positive way, it's best to express their interest or their interest in mental health in a positive way, in such a way that it won't be stigmatizing to those who want to reach out and get the help that they need, so that no one suffers in silence just because people are stigmatizing mental health in a bad way. So we urge all the artists, even as you are doing your art, be more expressive in a positive way so that people can reach out more. Yeah.
Maybe how was the event?
I just wanted to add that if you are in the event today, you'll notice that we are showcasing also some of our champions. We have mental health champions who are doing advocacy, raising awareness on mental health, and they're sharing their personal stories that they have been through this and they have overcome. They're doing well. I am here personally also. I hope I get a chance to share my story. And I've also been diagnosed with a mental health condition. And I'm here. I'm working. I'm working with PDO as an organization. I'm doing research. I'm doing great. I'm living life like everyone else. And that's what we want to tell people, that you being diagnosed with a mental health condition doesn't mean that your life comes to a stop or that you cannot function. You can live positively, you can live like everyone else in the society. Yeah.
So there's this. If I check on your this one, this lady. I think I saw him some day.
Yes.
Bipolar is real. Okay.
Yes.
So bipolar. This is something that so many people have not realized.
Eating habits change. When it is in high, the maniac side, this person might want to engage in extremely risky behaviors also, or behaviors that may be harmful to them. So in that fluctuation, that's when you will notice that this person might be undergoing through bipolar. Yes.
What is your feeling about the event?
It's awesome. It's amazing. It's more than what I expected, honestly. And I'm thrilled. That's all I can say.
It was fun, you see from the smile, and it was so great. I have enjoyed it.
Okay. Thank you so much. We shall continue. I hope we shall invite you back to Bonge tena, si ndio?
Okay, so
Thank you.
thank you.